Alright, right here we got the frosty mug of beer. It's a fountain. And then right here we got the Roman candles, 5 balls in here. And then what else? We got the Poopy Puppy. He doesn't really have a wick, you just light him on the red spot. We got some Bad Boy firecrackers. And then I got these free at a fireworks stand. They're Jumbo Ground Bloom, 3-color change. Got 3 of those. And then, what else? Oh. Super Magnum tall artillery shell. Got that. And then artillery shells, huge color burst. And we got the punks over there. Alright. Oh, and then we got these Roman candles right here. We got blue, red, green. Well, that's purple, and then we got red.
The performances are, this one's whistling, this one's like a tail, red, white, and blue. This one has bangs, and this one has crackling balls. Same with those. Now I'm going to do mine. Start off, we got Sparklers, Morning Glories, Color Pearl Flowers, 48 shots, 16 firecrackers, bunch of 50 strips, artillery shells, 12 pieces, green wasps, peacemakers, a snafu, whatever it's called, Roman candles, 6 artillery shells, parachutes, crackling balls, firecrackers, more parachutes, and I forget, Saturn missile batteries, and finally got this 25 shot Mind Warp. Should be good. Looks good.
Hi.
Alright. That's my cousin, by the way. And yeah, those are our fireworks for 2012.
4th of July.